Hi guys, we are having stay at home videos to show you how to help yourself at home during this quarantine time. Right, so today we are showing you how to do a simple underarm wax. The underarm wax is the easiest of the waxes to do. Right, I do not recommend that you attempt a Brazilian wax at home. I will repeat that, abort mission on the Brazilian wax at home. Okay, you can do underarm, you can do upper lip, right? But a Brazilian wax is really it's a technical thing. You don't want to damage yourself at home, especially if you live alone at home. And this actually happened to someone. Alright, so we'll wax these underarms here. Alright, so what we will need, we need a pot of wax. I'm using the Chi chocolate wax today. Right, we need a palette stick. This side is just like your lolly stick. We need a strip of brown cotton. You could cut up this at home or any cotton. We have our tweezer if you decide you want to go in to get any strays. But if you do it properly, you won't have any stray hairs left behind, right? So when we so I will just dip the quarter of a stick. This is all the wax that you will need here. You don't need a lot of wax, right? You need to apply a thin layer. So if you look at the hair that is growing under your arm, this half goes upward, this half goes downward. And some people, you will have the hair in the middle going across. So you have to look at the direction of your hair growth. But generally, you could start at the middle and just apply the wax upward. What I try to do is to make a square. Notice that I'm leaving my palette stick straight, right? So I'm not pasting on the wax. The idea is to get a nice thin layer of wax, right? This will come out really easy. So after I've applied the wax, then I apply my strip. I make sure that I have enough space. I'll leave enough space here for me to pull. So I'm going to smooth in an upward direction because I've applied the wax in an upward direction about 10 times. Alright, then I will pull. Alright, so my hair is out. Okay, so you have a nice clean wax there. I will do the bottom half. Again, a nice thin layer of wax that you're taking off. I'll just hold this down here. Alright, so I'm making my square here. I will smooth downward, leave enough strip, well I need to leave enough here. I'm smoothing downward since I applied the wax in a downward direction. Alright, now I will pull up. Okay? I see I have a little here on this side. I could just smooth up and just pull down just to get it off, or apply just a little more wax. I don't have a mirror here. Alright, so it looks like I just need a little bit more. And if you see any extra hairs, instead of the tweezing, you could just put back a little bit of wax. Alright, afterwards, to get rid of any wax residue, we will just wipe the area with some oil. Alright, so I use Alright, so I just use Palmer's coconut butter oil. Anyway, they have coconut oil. I just wipe away the excess wax from the area, and that will be your underarm wax. Alright, so you're at home and you'll still be hair free and carefree.